Hello everyone, this analysis is for gold, starting it off here on the weekly time frame and then working my way down from there. Here's what I'm expecting. Dollar yen pair still has a little bit of weakness left, I believe, and then we'll see a pop back up higher. Um, Ultimately heading to about 1.13. Just go ahead and show you what it is that I'm looking at, and then we'll get back to gold. So looking at the dollar yen pair, daily time frame, you can see that we tried to, rally a little bit here. I expect that we'll go ahead and break back above this trend line yet again, heading up to around 112.40, and then with a possible extension to around 112.80, 113 tops. From there, we'll see a rollover here, and I'll just shift the chart a little bit to the left so you can see what I'm expecting here. One of two things will happen. I'm betting, I'd say 70% chance that we do break back above here and test those 112.40s, which is near my moving average here, and then a push up higher to test the 50 as well as this previous level at 113, and then roll over. More bearish option, we trend sideways from here underneath of this trend line and then plummet down to approximately 109. Even lower still could be 108s. So keep your eyes on that when you're looking for what's happening with gold. And with gold itself, one too many S's in there. So with gold itself and what we've been seeing on the daily time frame here, just more bearishness here, honestly. And I, was hoping to see something happen that was different, but with the way the dollar yen pair was looking, we should have seen, a nice breakout, which did not happen. So we've had one rally, two rally, three rally, four rally, four or five attempts basically for the bulls to try to break to the upside, unable to do so. Now the good part is we haven't broken lower, and I'll say yet, because what I'm expecting here is essentially the dollar yen pair to, like I said, make that move to 112.40-ish, and that'll take us down to those 1260s. So I'm still waiting to see what happens when we get down to these 1265s, 1260 area. That area is going to be the key. If the dollar yen gets stronger and breaks back above that 112.40 area and breaks 113, gold is going back to 1240s. Hands down, there's nothing, no debating on that. Assuming that the dollar yen pair does end up holding below that 112.40, 113 area that I just showed you, then those 1260s should be maintained as support, and then we should see a another attempt back up higher. So keep your eyes on that. That's the driver here. We're still ultimately between this wedge area here, so we're just chopping. I expect, as I have already illustrated here, a move down and then a make or break. So we'll either have a move up higher or lower from this point here, but either way I want to see what happens in these 1260s and what happens with the dollar yen. So again, as I mentioned, and I've mentioned it to my members, I am not going to be trading this week at all. I am just going to be observing and watching for those trade setups to occur, and then getting back into it the first week of December. It's just one of my personal rules. I just do not like the end of the month, and keeping that system intact is key for my overall personal performance. So I will update you all on Wednesday evening as usual. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Still looking for those 1260s near term. I'm still bearish in this move, waiting to see what happens at 1260s. From there, we'll have a better idea of what to expect in the future. So subscribe, don't miss out. Next video update to the public will be out on Wednesday evening. Thank you so much for watching. Have a green trading week.